Waiting in Mount Kinabalu. It's raining and dark. Hoping that tomorrow won't be rainy, because if it is, we won't get the climb either tomorrow. Today we were too late. And Janina is also a bit sick, so it might also be difficult to climb because of that. At least the one-day climb is actually said to be really hard on the body and muscles, because it's like 2,300 meters straight up, and you do the 2,300 meters straight up while going 9 kilometers in length. So it's like taking 25 centimeter steps on every step for 9 kilometers. So, or at least so I calculated. If I'm wrong, do correct me. But yeah, I think it's gonna be hard on the body. And today, yeah, it's raining, it's moist, so nobody else is also climbing today, probably because it's fucking dangerous in the mountain when it's raining. And it's evening, yeah, also, but they are sleeping in the hut if they got there today, and tomorrow morning early they will start the next climb. And yeah, there's also a possibility of 2-day climb. 2-day climb is, so you'd start, for instance, today, and you would end up before the evening in the summit. It's the beginning of the steeper rock, and you would sleep over there, but the sleeping accommodation is 540 ringgits per person, which is like 130-140 euros per person for a night. So that's kind of a lot of money for one night in a basic hut in the mountain. And because of the price, we decided not